Europeans, what is something us Americans aren't ready to hear?
1. You actually have less freedom than most of the world. Your country is a pay-to-play. 2. You complain about soccer being boring while the NFL has like 12 minutes of play over 3 hours. 3. Europe and the European Union are not the same thing. 4. Middle grounds exist. It doesn't always have to be pro this, anti that. 5. It's neither normal nor okay to have to go bankrupt just to go to school or going to the hospital. 6. Sugar does not belong in everything, especially not bread. 7. South Park shouldn't be a perfect documentary of your country. 8. Tipping is stupid. Just pay your staff a proper living wage. 9. Having school children recite the Pledge of Allegiance is creepy AF.